I was talking with a Hindu student, and so my student told me that you guys in India, the young people, they don't do the mantras with the yapas, with the tulasi. You
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
don't do
yeah.
that. Only the old people?
No, 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 no. Some of people do that, but we don't. We don't.
Hey, some people. Who are those people?
Yeah.
Who? Who
Huh?
does that?
Yeah. Some to
Like
say
the
what is
gurus,
this?
stuff like that?
Yeah, yeah. Gurus.
Because
Yeah, gurus.
here we all do that. Here in Ecuador. Yeah.
Oh, so, oh, yeah. And
Yeah.
you do that?
I have a guru and everything. Yeah, I
Oh,
even have a spiritual name.
oh,
Yeah.
wow. Great, great. Yeah. How are you?
Hi, doing good. You're Indrajit?
Yeah. My name is Indrajit, and I'm from India.
Indrajit. Cool, very cool. Do you live in India right now? Cool, cool.
I born and brought up here, and also live in here.
I was born and raised here. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah. I was born and raised.
Mhm. Cool. I'm fascinated by India and Hindu culture, you know?
Oh, yeah. Lovely. And
Yeah.
madam, how do you how how long have you been teaching English in Cambly?
Not in Cambly. You want to say on Cambly, okay?
Okay, on Cambly.
Yes, on is a preposition for technology and internet.
Oh, I see.
So on YouTube, on Facebook, on my
Oh,
laptop, on the iPad, on the phone.
okay, madam. Thanks.
So I think I've been on Cambly, how long? I think about a year and a half. Mm-hmm.
Oh, so long
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I have been using Cambly over 3 months.
Nice, okay. And how do you feel about it?
Yeah, Cambly is really amazing platform to me because I have met a lot of new people and also learned new cultures from different places.
Sure, sure. And so with English, like, what are your goals with English specifically?
Actually, I want to sharpen my spoken English skill for the job purpose. So that's why I want to make a smooth conversations with you so that I can
Mhm.
communicate with you in English.
Sure. You don't want to say make a smooth conversations. You want to say
Yeah.
have smooth
Oh, okay. I
conversations.
have a smooth conversations. Yeah.
Yeah, or to have a smooth conversation, singular.
Okay.
Nice. So make and have, this is a very common mistake with the students. Okay?
Oh, I see.
Make is creative, or when you do something of your choice, of your own will.
Okay. I understand.
Okay? Maybe you can give me an example of when you use make.
Okay. Yeah. Uh, I want to make a meeting tonight.
You have a meeting. You don't make a meeting.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
so
So I'll explain. Have is to participate in something, right? Make is like when you're actually creating, right?
oh, creative.
Have is to participate. You know, you don't actually have to build it.
Oh, so can I say that I want to make some tea drinks for you?
Make some what?
Some tea drinks or
Yeah. You can say exactly. I'm gonna make tea, right? When you
oh
are
yeah,
the one that's preparing the tea, right? Hey guys,
yeah.
I'm making tea. Who wants some? Right? Now,
Oh yeah, I see.
if you go to the cafe, you say, "Hey, I'm gonna have some tea," right? Because you're not
Oh,
creating it.
I understand difference. Yeah, I connect it.
Exactly. Also, I'm gonna mention something. When it comes to make, you make a decision because it was your choice.
Oh,
You also make a mistake. You created that circumstance. right?
Oh,
You make a
yeah,
choice.
I understand. Yeah.
And have. You have a party, right? You just invite people.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
You have a meeting. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
And so, what kind of classes are you looking for here on Cambly?
Yeah, just smooth conversation and for know some. I mean, I want to some ask some questions to the Cambly tutors so they answer and just to have a smooth conversation.
Sure. All right. Well, do you have any questions
And
today?
yeah, and I want to ask that what are the things that make you happy?
What are the things that make me happy? I have many things that make me happy.
Ah,
But I think maybe there's 3 top things that make me happy. So the first thing that makes me happy is doing the right thing, being correct.
yeah, great, great, great.
So that
Great
means
one.
taking care of the environment, making good decisions, being vegan,
Oh,
that's doing the right thing, so doing the right thing is the first one. The second thing that makes me most happy is just being like creative, just being free.
oh, yeah. I have checked your profile that you love making films or editing video. So how do you find interest in there and what this is your another hobby besides
Yes,
teaching English?
it's my job, it's my hobby. I was
Great.
always good at photography, and I started doing fashion photography in Florida.
Oh,
Like vintage and fashion.
wow.
But when I came to Ecuador, I started doing cultural photography and event photography and a little bit of like journalism. So I go to like events,
Oh, I
political
see.
things, marches, shows, and that got me into filming, moving to Ecuador.
Oh, wow. So you have done a great job.
I'm still working on it. I'm not an expert in any way.
Yeah.
Little by little, I do my
Oh.
thing and I do a good job.
And one thing that attracts me most that is you are researching. So what topic you are researching now?
Right now, I'm researching about environmentalism and the oil and
Oh,
mining industries in my country. And in South America,
oh,
we're having a huge boom and explosion of oil drilling and mining. And they're destroying the environment. They're destroying the jungle. They're destroying the nature in South America.
oh, yeah.
And so that's one big topic of research right now. And then something else I always research is zero waste. Zero waste. So that means creating zero plastic.
Oh,
How can we live lives where we don't create trash?
recycle.
Similar to
Oh, I
recycling,
see.
but recycling is reusing. Zero waste is never having any trash at all.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so those are my areas
I
of
understand.
research right now.
Wow. And after researching that, so what is your job and what should you do with that?
So I used to live at a Hindu temple here in Quito. I'm a Hare Krishna.
Oh,
And at the temple, me and the owner and one of the other ladies, we created a zero waste
yeah.
store. So that's what we've done.
Oh, yeah.
And all the stuff from that store, I'm going to go to the jungle and I'm going to open up another store. Yes, the Amazon
Oh, I
rainforest.
see.
I'm going to go there and I'm going to open up my own zero waste store.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah, and do classes and stuff like that too.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And madam, who do you live with?
So right now I live alone. I was living at a temple and I rented an apartment alone at the temple, at the Hindu temple. But I moved out and now I live in a house alone. But in 1 month, I'm going to the Amazon rainforest and I'm going to live in a big house with some people who do yoga, meditation, plant healing,
Oh wow,
rituals,
great.
things like that. Yeah, so we're like a little community and we do events and things that heal people, and get people together.
Oh
Mhm.
wow, excellent.
Yeah. Uh-huh. What about you? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, I am an engineering student. I am currently studying Bachelor in Technology and in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Sure.
And I want to some decent job after my BTech. So I have to mention that only 1 year left to become graduate. So after
Nice.
my graduation, I want to some decent job. If I get a chance to a job from abroad, then I definitely go for that.
Okay, so if you could get a job abroad, what country would you most prefer?
Yeah, that is the USA or UK. And specifically, I want to say that in the USA, that is California or Florida and Texas.
Sure. So you're saying Florida, California, or Texas. Those are some good choices. I'm from Florida.
Yeah.
hmm
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Great.
If you go to Florida, if you could live in Clearwater, that's the most beautiful place in all of Florida. Clearwater.
Oh,
hmm
clear.
Or
Wow. So I have to
Mhm.
visit there.
Absolutely, absolutely. And what?
And yeah, if I go in Florida, then I definitely meet you.
If I go to Florida, I
Florida,
don't
yeah.
live in Florida. I live in Ecuador. I live in South America.
Oh,
hmm
oh, right now.
Yes, I was born here in Ecuador. I'm half Ecuadorian, half of the U.S.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. So you are mixed up.
Yes, you're mixed. Yes, so I lived 23 years in Florida, or I lived a long time, like 20 years in Florida. And I moved back to
Oh,
Ecuador almost 4 years ago. hmm
oh. And may I ask that what is your age?
I want you to guess my age.
Uh, it is 27.
Yeah, I'm 28. hmm
Oh shit. Almost close.
Almost. And soon I'll be turning 29. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, normally today I had you and another student guessed my age, and he said also. He said 28, 27. But normally, but normally people say I look like I'm 23 or 22.
Yeah, you look so younger. Yeah,
Yeah, so much younger.
so much younger. Yeah.
And so,
You just, I want to say that just you just grab my word from my mouth.
Yeah, because like when you say so, you would say so young or so much younger.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
so smart, so much smarter. Right? Yes.
Smarter. Yeah, I get it. I
And so, where
understand.
in India do you live?
I live in Kolkata, in the state of West Bengal.
Kolkata, India. I'm gonna
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
Kolkata, India. And so, are you Hindu or no?
Yeah, I'm Hindu and I am also Bengali.
Okay, Bengali. What is that?
My actually in the state of West Bengal, most of the people speaks the language
Oh,
Bengali.
from Bengal. Okay.
Yeah, my regional language is Bengali. I mean.
Bengal. Oh, west of India.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's. Oh, all I'm seeing is Bengal cats. Hold on. Bengal, India. Is it like very natural or is it like a city?
It is a state, and where I live in, that is the city name is Kolkata. Can I type
Yes,
that?
actually, I found it. I see Kolkata,
Oh,
Madurga,
wow.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, now I'm seeing the temples. I was
Oh, wow. And Kolkata is a really beautiful city, and there are a lot of visiting spots
There's
there.
a lot of like places to visit, right? Many places to visit.
Yeah.
So I was talking with. I'm going to ask you before the class is up. I was talking with a Hindu student, and so My student told me that you guys in India, the young people, they don't do the mantras with the yapas, with the tulasi. You
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
don't do
yeah.
that. Only the old people?
No, 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 no. Some of people do that, but we don't. We don't.
Hey, some people. Who are those people?
Yeah.
Who? Who
Huh?
does that?
Yeah, some related to and some chanted, some. Uh, I mean to
Like
say
the
what it
gurus,
is.
stuff like that?
Yeah, yeah, gurus.
Because
Yeah,
here
gurus.
we all do that. Here in Ecuador. Yeah.
Oh, so, oh, yeah. And
Yeah.
you do that?
I have a guru and everything. Yeah, I
Oh,
even have a spiritual name.
oh,
Yeah.
wow. Great, great. And madam, my
I
time is running
know.
out. It was
Check
really
the
lovely to meet
notes.
you.
Call
See
back
you soon.
later. See ya. Bye.